Tired of hitting that payment wall when all you want is to try out new software? Today, we're unlocking Veo 3, completely free and without needing your credit card. First, head over to the official Veo website and look for any mentions of a free trial. Some companies offer trial periods without upfront payment info. Focus on identifying a free trial. Many software companies, like Veo, often hide this behind promotional banners or special links. When signing up, look for options to use a promo code Veo. Might be running campaigns where specific codes unlock free access. Search online forums or social media groups related to Veo for these hidden gems. After submitting your information, keep a close watch on your email. Veo will usually send a confirmation email with a link to activate your account. Once activated, explore the software. The free trial version may have some limitations, but it's a fantastic way to experience Veo 3's capabilities without spending a dime. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy Veo 3 absolutely free without giving away your credit card details. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tips.